I don't know what that dream is that you have. I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you have been working towards that dream. But that dream that you're holding in your mind, that it's possible. A dream isn't something you think you might want to do if you had the time and resource to make it happen. A dream is something you are possessed by. A dream is something you can never stop thinking about. A dream is something that you can never stop believing in. A dream is something you are ready to sacrifice everything for. A dream is something that you are ready to die for. If your dream isn't big enough for all this, then you don't have a dream at all. And what is the point of having a life if you don't have a vision grand enough for a dream to take place in it? That some of you already know that it is hard. It's not easy. It's hard changing your life. That in the process of working on your dreams, you are going to incur in a lot of disappointment, a lot of failure, a lot of pain. There are moments when you are gonna doubt yourself. You said, God, why is this happening to me? I'm just trying to take care of my children and my mother. I'm not trying to steal or rob from anybody. How does this have happened to me? For those of you that have experienced same hardships, don't give up on your dream. The rough times are gonna come, but they have not come to stay. They have come to pass. Greatness is not this wonderful, elusive, godlike feature that only the special among us will ever taste. It's something that truly exists in all of us. It's very important for you to believe that you are the one. Most people, they raise a family, they earn a living and they die. They stop growing, they stop working on themselves, they stop stretching, they stop pushing themselves. Then a lot of people like to complain, but they don't want to do anything about their situation. And most people don't work on their dreams. Why? One is because of fear. The fear of failure. What if things don't work out? And the fear of success. What if they do and I can't handle it? These are not risk takers. You spend so much time with other people. You spend so much time trying to get people to like you. You know other people more than you know yourself. You studied them. You know them. You want to hang out like them. You want to be just like them. And you know what? You have invested so much time on them, you don't know who you are. I challenge you to spend time by yourself. It's necessary that get the losers out of your life if you want to live your dream. But people who are running towards their dreams, life have a special kind of meaning. When you become the right person, what you do is you start separating yourself from other people. You begin to have a certain uniqueness. As long as you follow on other people, as long as you are being a copycat, you will never ever be the best copycat in the world. But you will be the best you could be. I challenge you to define your value. That everybody won't see it, that everybody won't join you, that everybody won't have the vision. It is necessary to know that you are an uncommon breed. It's necessary that you align yourself with people and attract people into your business who are hungry, people who are unstoppable and unreasonable. People who are rebuilding to live life just as it is and who want more. The people that are living their dreams of the party winners to attach themselves to. The people that are living their dreams are the people that know that it is gonna happen, it's up to them. If you want to be more successful, if you want have and do stuff you have never done before, I am asking you to invest in you. Yes, invest in you. Someone's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. That you don't have to go through life being a victim. And even though you face disappointments, you have to know within yourself that I can do this even if no one see it for me. I must see it for myself. This is what I believe and I am willing to die for it. No matter how bad it is or how bad it gets, I am going to make it. I wanna represent an idea. I wanna represent possibilities. Some of you might know you want to go to next level. I want a council. I want to be an engineer. I want to be a doctor. Listen to me. You can't get to that level. You can't get to that level economically where you want to be until you start invest in your mind. You are not reading books. I challenge you all to go to the conference. I dare you to invest in time. I dare you to be alone. I dare you to spend an hour to get to know yourself. When you become who you are, when you became the person that you are created to be, designed to be, when you became an individual, what you do is take yourself and you start separating yourself from other people. I am challenging you to get to the place where the people do not like you or do not even bother you no more. Why? Because you are not concerned to make them happy. Because you try to blow, you try to the next level. I need you to invest in your mind. If you're still talking about your dreams, if you're still talking about your goals, but you have not done anything, just take the first step. Yes, just take the first step. You can make your parents proud. You can make your school proud. You can touch millions of people's lives and the world will never be the same again because you came this way. Don't let nobody steal your dream. If you're still looking at your dream, reviewing it every day and saying it to yourself, it's not over until I win. You can live your dream. Understand that greatness is not achieved without the failure. And the dreams don't turn into reality without encountering a dozen of disappointments on the way. But only the one who has a dream and who wants it so bad that he can give up on everything to have it can be the one who finally says that all his dreams came true.